You should think for a moment in all the things that are around you. For example, the people that you know, your family, your car, the park in the corner of your house, the food in your kitchen, everything that are part of your life is the environment. Most people think that the environment is just the sea, the sky, the trees, plants, animals, and things like that. But it is much more than that. The environment is all that are around us, and without it, we probably can't live here. That is why we want that all of you become aware of the importance of taking care of the environment and natural resources. We are going to explain you why we have to take care of it. We have the opportunity to have a lot of natural resources and a great luck to find beautiful landscapes wherever we go. Unfortunately, we are the culprits of destroying all this beauty that nature gives to us. We all live in a vast continent in which people tend to pollute rivers, the soil, and even the air with solid, liquid, and gaseous wastes, even though their components, animals, and resources around them will be affected too. It is necessary to have clear the fact that we are part of this world, and those negative effects certainly will be harmful for the current and future generations.
Environment is the sum total of all surroundings of a living organism, including natural forces and other living things. The environment consists of the interactions among plants, animals, soil, water, temperature, light, and other living and non-living things. The environment is divided into three types: built environment, natural environment, and social environment. The natural environment includes all living and non-living things occurring naturally on Earth.
Butterflies play a vital role in the ecosystem. There is co-evolutionary relationship between butterflies and plants. Their lives are interlinked. Butterflies are the well indicators of the ecosystem. These insects tell us everything about the health of their ecosystem. These are effective pollination. Butterflies visit the flower to eat nectar, and this is mutually